Hi everybody, I'm David Rocher. I'm the CTO of Agora. We are a link group company and we are in all 7 our ISE this year to show our last innovations in AV networking and audio over networks specifications. This year we will present the new version of Agora controller with the controller who manage all devices, but in the same time is open for control to the most popular switch brands of the market like Netgear ISeries, Extreme Network or Aruba switchers as well. So with Agora controller you can now define a multi-vendor network for AV applications, for touring, installation market, as well as the broadcast applications. You can know more on our website. This is agora-network.fr. See you soon.